Hello,
Oh,
welcome to another video in the...
Do that again. Wow, your arms fit the whole screen.
Do they? Oh, wow. So I've stood in front of my two beasts, but today I've got here on the table my Shoei Neotech 2.
Nice.
And something's dangling out of it. The reason something is dangling out of it is because Cardo, now you know that we use these, incidentally, using RiderCam TV as the discount code when you check out on their website will give you, I think, 20% discount. It's a huge discount.
Wow.
So if you want to buy anything from them, go on their
really
website.
well.
It's the best system I've ever had. I stood by Interphone, well, we both did for years, didn't we?
Still do. I still have an Interphone system and I love it.
It is a very good system, but this beats everything I've ever had. Other than sometimes it goes, last number, read down. You're like, no.
Yeah, well, I don't have that switched on my phone because I'd end up throwing it away.
It does everything that I need it to do without having to remember the buttons, but we've done a review on that. But how do you fit it to your helmet? Now, I had
in particular the Shoei Neotech 2.
Yeah, in particular the Shoei.
Because that's what we're doing.
Yeah, so they come with this kind of mount, which has got all the sticky stuff on there. Now, it looks a bit bad because I've taken it off the helmet, but this then fits into, it fits in a very strange way into the actual, and there's like little lugs that you've got to get it above, but it clips in there so it gives you the secure fitting on the helmet.
And that's flexible enough to fit on anywhere on the helmet.
So this actually flexes, so it goes around the helmet, and this is the bit
because a lot of them are rigid, aren't they?
Yeah,
and it's just a pain in the neck.
So I've really thought about it. It goes on every helmet I've tried so far, but they've brought this out.
You are a gadget boy.
I know. So on the Shoei Neotech 2, there is a triangle there that is covered by this piece of triangular plastic, and the reason it's covered is because Sina, I think, are in bed with Shoei, or work with Shoei, and they have made a specific kit that you can fit into the Neotech 2, and the buttons fit in here.
Don't they do one of those funny microphones as well? Is that what?
Oh yeah, they do the flat microphone. So it's a proper kit for it, and don't get me wrong, it looks like an amazing kit. However, this plastic triangle, even when it's clipped in, isn't strong enough to be able to hold your mount as it's made, which is really a real pain because you've got to fit it up there and then the wires perhaps don't reach where you need them to reach in the same way. So Cardo, in their wisdom, have brought out the adapter, and what do they call it? No, they just call it adapter for Shoei helmets. And this fits the Shoei Neotech 2, GT Air 2 and the J Cruise 2 as well. It's about 20 quid. So 20 quid for a bit of plastic's a lot of money, isn't it?
It is, if you need it.
However, if you need it, it's not.
No, it's not.
So it's proper moulded plastic, and you can see that this is the mount that I've taken off. It's got exactly the same mounting points, but it's mounted on this bit of plastic that is made to fit specifically in the Shoei Neotech 2.
Cool.
Or those other two helmets. And on the back, there's a bit of sticky tape, or double-sided sticky, which will stick inside there. Vaguely. Oh, I'm getting hints of juniper. And
Odd.
No, it's
Odd.
It's not 3M tape.
Stop, it's getting weird now. It's getting odd.
So this will stick to the flat bit in there, and it will, as you put it in, there's this triangle bit in here. So if you see where my fingers are, that's the triangle bit.
Which fits inside this bit.
Which fits inside there. But obviously it will sit, let's stick that down. So it will sit there and enable you to put your Cardo mounting system on there and not have it right back. So the thing that I have found when I'm wearing this helmet is sometimes I forget where the buttons are. Now they're going to be right in the place that I need them to be.
And you won't have to turn your head so far in the mirror to see it.
No. And if you look at the bottom, it still allows this little clip here So it's cut around the clip, but there's this little handy thing here as well, which will enable you to take the cables down and under without them catching on something.
Oh, that's
I think that's quite good, actually. So, shall we fit it and then come back and then show you how it's fitted?
Yes, please.
Right, so in our true tradition of not knowing what we're doing, we followed the instructions. So we've ripped off the little pad off the not 3M tape, but it might be 3M, and stuck it in following these lines here. So get my handy pointer. This line here and this line here goes to a triangle. So I've followed that line, but
and you'll notice that it just, well, we found that it just sticks in.
yeah,
Because if you look at the original piece,
you got these lugs here,
little lugs there that clips in.
here. So it's a bit, I would say that it's really good, but it's a bit disappointing that it's just relying on stick as opposed to actually having those holes there and the plastic's in the place that it needs to go. You'd think they'd have those.
Yeah, but it sticks on the back of your helmet
But
anyway, doesn't it? So
it's
fine.
rock solid. I mean, look at that.
But they do say leave it for 4 hours.
Yeah. So with that, you've got your two places. Let's get my pointing stick again.
The most inappropriate pointing stick.
Oh, how about this one?
There you go, it's a bit
Yeah.
smaller.
So in here is, it just slides up right through. You can see that. This long bit here slides up through, and this one slides into here. And that's all that happens. So you just basically, it is a bit fiddly because you need to make sure it fits in there. And then, listen,
Ooh.
you get the click. So now what I can do is I can put the cables, which I think is really good actually put the cables, let's turn it around a bit, underneath this lug to hold them so they don't get caught. I think that's quite clever.
That's very good.
That's really good, I like that. And now I can sort the rest of the helmet out and put everything back in. So I won't bore you with seeing that.
No, before we do that,
Yeah.
you need to do this though. Because this is the best part about a Cardo, isn't it?
Yeah, that is fitted. I mean, you know, that's incredible, isn't it? So to release it, you press down and you push it off, and that is
Does
it.
it look like side on?
So side on, it's, I would say it's a little bit wider, a little bit wider, ever so much, ever so slightly. Wouldn't you?
Yeah.
But it's going to be much easier to hold on to, isn't it? Now,
You can
bear
see
in
it
mind,
now, can you?
pardon?
You can see it now, can you?
Bear in mind, I haven't got the right cheek, the left cheek pad in yet. So that's where the helmet is. In actual fact, that's quite a nice place. Whereas before it was up here, having to mess around and try and find it. Now it's just there. So rather than, because when you're wearing your bike gear, you're kind of restricted, aren't you? And doing that, you're fumbling all, and especially with gloves. But now you can. That's quite good. Doesn't look too low, does it?
No. With your special mittens, you'll be fine.
Just hope it doesn't. Yeah, just hope it doesn't bang on the jacket.
Oh no, it won't.
Well, I hope
You
not.
have to get rid of. You have to get another jacket.
Yeah, they have been my woes. But that is the Cardo adapter for Shoei helmets, and not forgetting that it's the Neotech 2, the GT Air 2, and the, does that say Cruise 2? Those three on the bottom blue line.
Neotech, GT Air 2, and J Cruise.
So 20 quid. It may seem a lot of money. It takes seconds to fit. You should leave that for 4 hours, they're saying, for the 3M tape to take hold
Fully
properly.
bond.
Now, even if it doesn't, because the wires are there, it's just going to dangle, isn't it, if something goes wrong. But to be able to use that in a more efficient way, I think is actually quite a good bit of kit for 20 quid. So, head over, don't forget, if you want to buy something from Cardo and you buy it from cardosystems.com, their main website, put in RiderCam TV as your discount code, and I think you get something like 20% discount.
Oh.
But if you want to buy it locally and you want to buy it from Sports Bike Shop, we'll leave the link in the bottom. It's an affiliate link. We'll get something from it, but you don't pay any more. And you get that warm, fuzzy glow feeling, knowing that Mark and Toby are riding around and being able to bring more content to your channel without actually doing anything.
Wow.
How cool is that? It's a win-win, as these managers nowadays say. So we'll see you in the next video. Thumbs up, subscribe, all that jazz. See ya.